Okay, so yesterday we started talking about measurement. We talked about customary lengths of measurement yesterday, and today we're going to talk about metric systems of measurement. So for instance, yesterday we talked about inches. There were 12 inches in 1 foot. And if you notice on the other side of your ruler, and even if you look at the reference materials that we get, there are inches on one side and there are centimeters on the other side. Okay, so centimeters are quite a bit smaller than inches. You can see here that there are 10 millimeters for every 1 centimeter. And you can also see that there are roughly 30 centimeters in a foot. Just a little bit over 30, about 30 and a half centimeters are in 1 foot. So today we're going to focus on the metric system. All right, so here are our lengths in the metric system. We have millimeters. The abbreviation for that is mm. And these are used to measure very short lengths or thicknesses. So example, the length of the pencil tip. Okay, just a little tiny unit of measurement. A centimeter is used to measure smaller lengths like the length of this pencil or the length of a spoon or a leaf, something small like that. And the abbreviation for centimeter is cm. Meters, these are a little bit larger units. They are used to measure big lengths. For example, the length of this classroom, okay, or the height of a person, the length of a dinosaur maybe. And then we have kilometers, and the abbreviation for kilometers is km. And these are used to measure very long lengths or distances. So the distance between two places, it might be from here to the moon, or the length of a river. It could even be the height of a mountain, that you could climb a very tall mountain. So like for instance, Mount Everest is a little bit less than 9 kilometers high. All right, let's move on to weight. So in the metric units, we have milligrams. The abbreviation for that is mg, and that is used to measure very light things, like if you were going to take a, I don't know, let's say like an allergy pill or something really small, a Tylenol, something like that. If you have a fever, they're very light, very tiny, right? And then we have grams. The abbreviation for that is G. Those are used to measure small things, fruits and vegetables. The example here is potato. And then we get into kilograms with the abbreviation kg, and that's used to measure heavier things. For example, if you were going to measure your own body weight. All right, and then the last one is capacity. That's, how much liquid that you can fit into something. So the metric units for that are milliliter. The abbreviation is ml, and that's used to measure very small quantities. For example, medicines, like if you're taking a little tiny bit of cough syrup or something like that, a little teeny tiny amount of liquid. And then we have liters, which is abbreviated with just L, and that's to measure other liquids, for example, juice, milk, shampoo, soda. You might buy soda like Coca-Cola or something in a 1 liter bottle. I buy a giant bottle of shampoo. It's a 1 liter bottle. Okay? Can you think of some things around your house that may be about the size of a liter?